friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a review on the Maxvolador solar deck lights. Now they were so kind to send me these. This is how it came in this box. I'm going to open it up. Now this is a pack of 20 that they sent me. Let's check it out. And they come individually wrapped here. This is the size that they are. Now I asked for the brown with the warm white light. They do come also in black and white. And you can also get the light in a multicolor instead of the warm white. And you get the solar panel on top here. It also comes with the hardware to use. You got some screws in here, and you also have some adhesive strips because this isn't just for wood. You can actually use this on stone or cement. Now, I myself don't have a deck, but I do have a split rail fence in the back, and I think these will look so pretty along the back of my fence because these are going to be shining down. And that is another idea. You can put them on your fence if you have a wood fence. You don't have to have an actual deck to use these because you would put them on your steps or on your railing. And you can also use them on your cement steps, like you're out front. It's not limited to your backyard, of course. You can do this on if you have a stone wall or something with a cap on it. You can use the adhesive strips for this. So let me show you a few samples that are on their website that will show you the different ways that you can use these. All right, so let's go outside and get these installed. So here is my split rail fence that I'm going to install 15 of the solar deck lights. It's pretty dark back here. As you can see, we have this open space behind us, so I think this will look really pretty having these lights as they will be shining down on the rock area. But before I get started, I need to read the instructions. All right, so I got the instructions here, and I got my drill, and I have my tape measure. So the first thing it's telling me to do is I need to take off, it's a little windy out here, let me put this here. I need to take off this plastic cover. It just pops up here. You see there's the battery in there, and there is an on-off switch right here. I'm going to switch it over to on, and I'm going to put the plastic cover back on. If I can get it to go. All right, there it is. All right, so I'm going to do the rest of these, and then I'm going to start installing them. So I figured out the middle of this panel is where I'm going to start with my first one, and I'm going to just screw this in with the screws provided. Okay, got one side done, and now I'm going to do the other. This is really easy to do. Okay, this side needs to go down just a little bit more. It didn't go all the way down for me. All right, and then I'm going to measure and see where I want to put the next one. So this is where the next one is going. Again, I'm just going to screw this in quickly and do the last one. All right, so I'm going to finish up with the rest, and let's see how it looks. So I tried to space these out as evenly as possible. Now these chairs don't normally go here. I had taken out the two bushes here, and I need to plant flowers. It's just to kind of block the dogs. As you can see, we're going to go along the fence line here. And here's how it turned out. Now let's go over to my retaining wall over here on my patio, and I'm going to use the two-sided adhesive strip here. If I can get it open, get it off here. All right, there we go. And I'm just going to stick it in between where the screw holes are. And I'm just going to press it down. All right, so I'm going to finish off the other 4 and we're going to see how it looks. All right, so this is the one wall. It's a little bit shorter, so I only put 2 over here. And this wall has 3. All right, let's see how it looks at night. So I tried to do a video here, but it looked really dark. So I decided to do some pictures. As you can see, it's not pitch black out yet, but it looked really, really dark. But the picture showed exactly the way it's looking at dusk, which I really love the warm white of these lights. So let's go see how it looks over on the patio here. As you can see on the patio, it does brighten it up over here. We have no lighting whatsoever here. So this does help out a lot, and it's like some really mood lighting too. That's what I like about it. So here you can see all 5 of them. I love the way that these lights look, and I highly recommend them. I want to thank Maxvolador for sending me these solar lights. They were so easy to install yesterday, and I love how they look. Now, if you're interested in them, I have the product link down below in my description box, and you definitely want to go check them out because they have lots of other lighting products. I saw on their website that they have some patio string lights, they have some rope lighting. I think there were some lanterns, they have table lamps, ceiling fixtures, they have some sconces, and I think they even had like the vanity light for above your sink in your bathroom. So again, if you're interested, please go check it out. That link is down in my description box. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.